Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm the owner of Elite Furniture Moving. Today I just want to take a minute to go over some materials and supplies that we have in one of our trucks, and I hope they can answer questions about what kind of materials, what kind of equipment we take when we arrive at your residence and or your apartment. Let's go. Okay, so let's check what's inside the truck. So here we have a two-wheeler dollies. It has a special wheels that are not gonna scratch your floor if we carry any heavy items on it. Also we have a four-wheeler dolly. So we have a door jam protectors to make sure we're not gonna scratch any door or door jams. We have also blankets. Every truck has blankets to protect your furniture. Also we have a bungee cords, and also we have some tools to put your beds together. On this side, if we start checking, here's the floor protector. Here we got shrink wrap. We have some tape in this box, and we have some wardrobe bars. Also in this box we do have some straps. It's a shoulder straps the movers use if there's any heavy items, and also we have some drills to put your bed together. Finally, we got this bubble wrap to protect the TVs. Make sure the TVs don't get cracked or don't get damaged. That's about it for most of the supplies. Here we got some of the wardrobe boxes where you can put your hanging clothes on a bar. Once the movers arrive, you can just ask them to get your wardrobe box and they bring it to your closet. So this bar you can use for the hanging clothes. Basically put all your hanging clothes in here on the bar. This is a secret trick that only professional movers know. You can use this as a two-row wardrobe box and put two rows of hanging clothes in this wardrobe box. Basically this way you can save some space and pack all the boxes efficiently. So this mover is gonna bring you on the day of the move to make sure you don't have to pack your hanging clothes. So you can just put this clothes and place it in a box and return it to the destination. Basically, we provide this service at no charge. Okay, so that was it. I hope I could answer some of the questions about what kind of supplies and what kind of equipment we have in the trucks. Yeah, looking forward to helping you with your moving services. Take care.